It's not clowning around. 2020 video stash, Midwest, you know what I'm saying? Let's just get started over here. We got an assortment of a bunch of stuff right here. You know, we got your 2-inch candles. You know, we got another one right here from last year, you know. It's a big assortment right here, a bunch of little stuff, you know, for the kids, you know what I'm saying? Fountains, little Saturn missiles, you know what I'm saying? We got a lot of stuff for the family right here, you know, for the kids. We always gotta look out for the kids, you know what I'm saying? Alright, follow me. Alright, we got right here, we got the 2020 chroma shells. You know, we got the gray cans, orange cans, you know. If y'all know, y'all know. Hold on, I ain't done yet. Ooh, baby. Look at that, yeah. We got more, we got a little bit from last year, you know, we got some dogs, we got some green ones, some grays, some blues, some orange. You know, we got a lot of stuff in here, new stuff. We're gonna keep it moving. Alright, follow me right here. Y'all seen this cake right here before? Y'all seen it? Y'all know this motherfucker hits. It's beautiful. We had to add it to our collection this year, you know what I'm saying? A little something slight. A little miscellaneous box, you know what I'm saying? We got little 16 shotters, 20 shots, you know what I'm saying? Stuff, a lot of stuff for the kids, you know, we got the crackers, you know what I'm saying? Stuff, fun stuff, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get with these rockets. We got these 2 inches, you know, jungles right here, the dragons ones right here, and we got some Mars ones. We got a bunch of other Roman candles. We got another, you know what I'm saying, 5-shot, 2 inches. All right, this is what I like to get at. My cakes. Whew. All right, we're gonna start off with a 49-shot. We got another one right here by Red Apple. It's a good one right here. Wild card, we're gonna get down. We got Big and Bad, Zombie Tsunami, we got War Willows. This is a really good one, fellas. And we're gonna hit back over here with the Pool Party, One Big Boom. We got War Hero, Color of America. We got another good cake by Brothers. I don't even know what it's saying, what the name is, but we're just gonna call it Desperate Housewives, you know what I'm saying? Fire and Ice, that's a good one. We got another couple brand of Brothers right here, Windows. This is a pretty good one too. Y'all want to add your color to it. Diablo shells, Black Cat, real good right there. Now, you may not think we might like these, but shit, look like we do. We got about 8 of them right here. You know what I'm saying? We gotta have another one. We got a Miracle Barrage, 100-shot. We got these 2 new additions today. Side Chicks, Notorious, Bumpin' Buddy. We got another one, Wild West, 180 degrees. Let me just stop right there. You know y'all had to see these. If y'all know what these are, then you ain't knowing on anything like that, man. We got 4-inch, 5 inches. We got 3 inches right here. Oh, my bad. Fucking it up, man. Fucking it up, man. So we got 4th of July, Cockeyed, Minions Hit Back. We got Winter Ballistics, Spiderworks, Road Trip, Helter Skelter, Cowboy, Just Hanging, Bling Bling, Strongman, you know. We got another one, Crazy Lady, Golden Peacock, another Spiderworks. We got another Red Bull 36-shot. We got Kamikaze, Anger Management, 3 Future Fighters. Damn. Super Shine, 36-shot, another Cockeyed, and Color Me Pink. And then we're gonna go over here. We got Medal of Honor, Silver Screen, New Blood, another Wild West. There's another good one, Soul Taker. We got Anger Management, American Muscle. We got Beware the Dog, Winter Ballistics, and if y'all know, these are some good ones right here. If y'all see them, get them. Now we're gonna hit them with the shells. What kind of brand is this? This is Plateau River Fireworks. These shells hit just as good as the X-Cows, if everybody's familiar with them, I'm pretty sure. If you're a real pyro head. These are some heavy hitters right here too. Sinister shells, you know what I'm saying? Plug had them good today. That's the 2019 Chroma shells. And we got right here the new 2020 Platinum X-Cals. And I know everyone's thirsty with these. These motherfuckers are nice. The Nishiki. Everybody know. Now we got all three of these right here. We got back-to-back years, you know what I'm saying? Starting off from 2016 all the way to 2019. You know what I'm saying? We got one for every year. And then we got some of these right here. Zombie blasters. These bitches hit. They're nice too. Real good color. And I never seen these before. I'm kind of excited to see these, so you know, we got you really excited to see those. And then we come up here, we got Thunder and Gold. We got Peacock, two Peacocks I should say. We got another Evil Clown. We got an old school Bloodbath. We got two Tales of the Crypt, another Shelter Skelter, and another you know, Gorilla Smoking the Square. We got Side Chicks again, Colorful Night, and we just gonna keep these two as a memory, because I don't think those are re-wraps. And y'all, if y'all know, y'all know. This is another good one too. What's this one called? Night Terrors. Night Terrors, if y'all know. Super Shine, we got another one, 36 shots. We got another your Big Cock. We got another Side Chick, I should say. Minions War. And we got Minions Hit Back. We got another Kamikaze. This is Big and Bad. We got a couple whistlers right here. Why don't you come over here? This is part of a finale right here. You know what I'm saying? We got two 500 grammers right here. We got four. Was it 2 or 300 gram cakes? I should say. We got another one right here. We got two bling blings with a Kamikaze. And right here we got Winter Ballistics with a Thunder and Gold. Going with this. We got Crackling Chrysanthemum with Shine Your Night. And then, but last but not least, we got Big and Bad with two Colorful Bursts. Oh yeah. And if y'all like my video, hit the subscribe button. Hope everyone has a safe 4th of July.